Oh my god, that kid, that sniper there that was hiding behind the tree was a squeaker, and after I killed him, he literally just said, "This kid's so gay." The most high-pitched voice I've ever heard.
So sounded like Kelly.
Yeah, pretty much.
Ooh.
Planting AT mine.
We almost died for sure,
Everyone is in safe zone.
Why do we even know where this ring is?
Why are we looking for a ring? Frodo destroyed it in like 2001.
We should get up this hill though. It's gonna be really hard to not die for down here.
Yes.
Like this is where the circle's gonna be though, guys. That's why it's yellow? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
No! Because we're already at the next thing. But it's gonna be over here. It's very small already. Like, that doesn't help us very much. It's not worth dying over it. The circle's already as small as it can be. It actually makes no sense to be pushing up right now.
They're lighting me up. There's an
Oh, fuck. There's two snipers. Don't peek. Don't peek. Don't do it.
You are patched up.
Just run away. Oh, they're moving up.
Throwing grenade.
Yeah, I knew.
I know, but we also don't have to be fully in it yet. Got one over there.
I'm throwing grenade.
Gas is closing in.
Let's head to that vehicle.
There's a whole other team coming the other way.
Safe zone. Trophy system deployed.
Team coming from over there.
They're lighting me up.
Guys at the tower.
Target spotted.
What now?
Oh, fuck. Oh, man. That's the worst.
Get to the new safe zone.
They're coming in behind you now, too. They're at the tower still. Killed one of them, though.
Your team is KIA. It's up to you now. Gas is
There's
closing
3
in.
teams, 5 people. You should just start pushing in that direction, I think. Actually, no, they have to come towards you, so never mind. Come around the pool. I saw him.
There's one other full team.
They have a self. You have to kill them. Oh, fuck.
My god.
Guy's a self. He's gonna get up any second and shoot you. Behind you. He's behind you.
Targets remain.
No!
Jump at the smoke.
Wow.
We don't
You
know how
played
to-
that perfectly. Somehow you ended up baiting the guy back into the smoke. There was. Thought there was. Yeah, it doesn't make any sense though. Well, now you don't have to lie to Sadie.
Hey guys, we got 1 point.